Hi guys, just want to share this video with you. What's going on in Watertown right now? We have very high wind. They said we were expecting wind up to 45 miles an hour, wind gusts up to 70. This is been going on for about 2 hours now, and it's only getting worse. I'm just hoping I'll be able to get some rest tonight. It's supposed to get really bad until 1 a.m. So, we're just hoping that, this ends soon, safely for everyone. I did see a whole bunch of utility vehicle hanging around, waiting at the mall, just in case the power go out. They're close enough to go out and fix everything. All right, wish us luck here in Watertown.